Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. To my returning subscribers, hey fam, I hope all is well with you guys. Thank you for choosing to watch this video today. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this makeup look. And while I was recording and doing this, I realized this is very similar to a look that I've done before. So I'm going to include a picture of that makeup look. I want you guys to tell me which look looks better, right? So I want you guys to definitely comment down below which look came out better, the one I'm currently wearing or the one from a couple months ago, because I feel like the way my makeup came out today looks better, and that's just on growth period, because I've been growing, I've been getting better at doing my makeup, and it's honestly super great for me when I see that. But before I make this intro too long, let's get into how I did this makeup today. First thing, you want to make sure your skin is moisturized. I already did this off camera. Also, remember to put on sunscreen. Here, I am starting off with primer. Y'all, I've been loving this new e.l.f. primer. I like putting on primer first. Even though I tend to do my eye makeup first, I like to put on primer before anything, because I will forget to do my eye makeup and then just do my face makeup without putting on primer, because I thought I did it before doing my eye makeup. So just to save myself, I do it at the very beginning. Now I'm putting on concealer on my eyelid to prime my lids, because I don't have an eyeshadow primer. So this is what I do. After this, I am going to go in with a translucent powder to set the concealer, because you do not want it to be patchy, and if you don't blend out very well, your concealer is going to be patchy, and then the eyeshadow, when you put it on top, is also gonna be patchy. You're gonna have different color looking eyeshadow. We do not want that. We want everything to look smooth and flawless. This gon' be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. I am using the Culture palette from JUvia's Place. This palette is great if you love bold and bright colors. With that in mind, I'm using the really bright pink all over my lid, starting with diffusing the color in my crease, and then I'm going to go ahead and pack it onto my lid so the color appears a lot brighter. When the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me. Now for the hard part, liner. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I don't like this NYX Epic liquid eyeliner, but it is what I have, so I have to work with that. The consistency and the formula is thick. It's not very liquid. It's more like a paste, and I do not like that, so it's hard to work with it. But I will say I do like the color a lot. The color is so pretty, and it is very much waterproof. It will not budge once you put it on. Moving on to face makeup, I'm not going to go through all the steps because it's pretty straightforward. I will leave a link to my detailed routine if you want a more in-depth tutorial, so I'll have that in the description box down below. The only thing that is new that I'm doing here is with my under eye concealer. I go in with a second layer, which is lighter, to really brighten my under eye. This is something that I got and saw all the UK baddies and girlies doing, and I have to say it really is a look, so I'm gonna keep doing it. just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus. Gotta keep your composure like you tryna earn that diploma. Do it over and over, yeah. Make it pop Coca-Cola. Keep it hot Barcelona. But she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty.
I hope you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I really had a good time making this look, and honestly I still think there's room for growth in terms of doing my makeup. Like, there's a lot that I still want to get better at doing, but honestly I really did enjoy doing this look, and I really do like how it came out. Especially this lip combo is everything right now. Like, chef's kiss, loving it so much. But I want you guys to, you know, comment down below what you guys think of this look. Do you like it? Are there other looks that you guys are interested in me doing? Like, just give me a general idea. You guys can even DM me on Instagram if you want, and I will definitely try doing those looks because I do like trying different looks and stuff out of my comfort zone. So you can totally DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is _eternalhonesty. Is also always in my description box, just in case if you're not following me, go follow me over there as well. But everything I use will be linked down below as always, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and make sure to share it with someone because sharing is caring, and we want this channel to continue to grow so I'm able to continue to make more content. So with that being said, bye guys, I will see you all in my next one.
Girl, her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make her better.